coming to the function to make this day as a wonderful day. My dear kids, our progress are always with you. Each and every kid of International Kids World Montessori Play School is really cooperative, friendly, obedient kids. No words are there to explain about our kids. You are simply amazing. The parents of International Kids World Montessori are really wonderful and very cooperative. We thank you, my dear parents, to make this year as a great successful year. We need your support and cooperation to continue. My dear kids, we wish you all a great success in your lives. All the best for a bright future. Thank you. Let's have a wonderful day. Let's begin with the national anthem.
I want all the kids, just send your kids over here for national anthem. Here for national anthem.
विनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Scream.
Dhanushri, Joshika, Aliza, Harshini.
Speech. A warm welcome to all the parents. Good evening over here. It's a pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. We the Montessori Play School heartily welcome you all once again. It's wonderful to see such an amazing gathering once in a happy year today. We all have gathered here for the convention of Annual Day, celebration of 2023 and 24. I welcome everyone with all my pleasant greetings and I wish the celebration makes you smile and cheer. Cheer up with full of joy and entertainment. Our lovely kids, I request to be on stage Shaba, Advait, Haridwar, Dhruva, Janani, Harshit and Harshini.
On this very special day, we're
pose. Next cow pose. Next cat stretch pose. Next cobra pose. Next boat pose. Next warrior pose. Next tree pose. Next triangle pose. Next chair pose. Next standing side bend. Next standing forward bend. Next standing back bend. Next yoga squat. Next low lunge. Next child's pose. Next gate pose. Next high plant. Next seated forward bend. Next bridge pose. Next happy baby pose. Next low plank pose. Thank you kids for a wonderful yoga pose. I request such a lovely yoga pose by our kids. Come down, come down.
Oman, Brazil, Canada, Russia, USA, Switzerland, Pakistan, India, Greece, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Germany, Portugal, Myanmar, Philippines, Nigeria, Singapore, Egypt, Spain, Afghanistan, Italy, Australia.
Give a very big round of applause.
Buenos días. Arriba. ¿Qué pasa?
Cheer up your students. Such a lovely performance. Cheer up your students. Such a lovely performance. Woo! Performance by Rockstars. Rockstars of Kids World. Woo! Such a lovely performance by our masters. Give a big round of applause for our masters.
எனக்கெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவான் உலகே உலகு துப்பார்க துப்பாய துப்பாக்கி துப்பாய தூவமலை தானம் தவம் இரண்டும் தங்காவியர் உலகம் வானம் வழங்காதே நேரின்று அமையாது உலகினில் யார் யாருக்கும் வானின்று அமையாது ஒழுக்க அன்பு மரணம் உடைத்தாயின் இல்வாழ்க்கை பண்பும் பயணம் அது வையத்துள் வாழ்வாங்கு வாழ்பவன் வானுரையும் தெய்வத்துள் வைக்கப்பாரும் அன்பிலார் எல்லாம் தமக்குரிய அன்புடையார் என்போம் உரியர் பிறர்க்கு நன்றி மறப்பது நன்றன்று நன்றலது அன்றே மறப்பது நன்று அடக்கம் அமரருள் உயிர்க்கும் அடங்காமை ஆரிருள் உயர்த்து விழும் யாகவாராகினம் நாகாக்க காவாக்கால் சோகப்பன் சொல்லிருக்கப்பட்டு நன்றி வணக்கம் நன்றி வணக்கம் அகத்தின் அழக பகத்தில் தெரியும் ஆழம் அறியாமல் காலை விடாதே இளங்கன்று பயம் அறியாதே ஈரனாவிற்கு எலும்பில்லை உதட்டில் உளவு உள்ளத்தில் பகை ஊருடன் பகைக்கேன் வேறுடன் கெடும் எண்ணில்லாதவன்
Cheer up your students.
ஏட்டு சுரக்காய் கடுகு வளையாது ஐந்தல் வளையாதது ஐம்பது வளையாது ஒன்றுபட்டால் ஒன்று வாழு ஓதற்கு இல்லை உணவோடு ஒழுக்கம் அவ்வை சொல்லுக்கு அச்சமில்லை நன்றி வணக்கம் நன்றி வணக்கம்
Give a big round of applause for such a wonderful performance by our kids. I'm going to I'll tell the number, you just have to strike it, okay? The number. It's number 2. First one is number 2. second is 7777. 7777. Next is 2424. 2424. Next is 9090. 9090. 43 43 43. 43 43. 44 44 44. 44 44. 85 85 85. 85 85. 23 23 23. 23 23. 75 75 75. 75. 6 number 6. 6 number 6. 7070. 7070. 8080. 8080. 74 74 74. 74. I think somebody is like completed. I request them to come forward. Please come over here with your ticket. Okay, it's not done yet. It's done. Alright, it's done, I suppose. I request him to come over here with your ticket. Okay, it's not done, I suppose. There's some miscommunication. No issues. Next is 18. 1818. 1818. 9. Next is number 9. Number 9. Next is 27. 2727. 2727. 1313. 1313. 5454. 5454. Number 14. 1414. 1414. 56 56 56. 56 56. 50 50 50. 83 83 83. 83 83 83. 89 89 89. 89. I request them to come with your ticket. I suppose it's done. अभी रुको और सेकंड भी होना है, ये रख दे. Next is 6161. Next is 6161. Next is 4545. 4545. 5252. 52 come. I think the second one is also done. I request them to come over here with the ticket. Give a big round of applause for them. That's it. Give a big round of applause for us. We'll see lucky draw. We'll check and we'll give you the updates on that. Cheer up the students for their performance. Prize distribution.
Next Tayin Manikodi program is Tayin Manikodi. Nation anthem dress code for all students. Dear parents, students be ready in the national anthem dress code for Tayin Manikodi dance. Students be ready with your national anthem dress code.
I request students to be ready for the next performance. Inspiration is required now for the performance. Parents, please be seated. Cheer up your students. Cheer up the kids.
தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த். என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது. என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது. காந்தி மகான் வந்த கண்ணிய பூமி இது. தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த். சுதந்திரத்தை காத்த அனைவருக்கும் சொல்லுகின்றோம் எங்கள் முதல் வணக்கம். தாயின் மணிக்கொடி சொல்லுது ஜெய் ஹிந்த். தாயகம் காத்திட தன்னலம் போக்கிட சொல்லுக ஜெய் ஹிந்த். என் இந்திய தேசம் இது ரத்தம் சிந்திய தேசம் இது. காந்தி மகான் வந்த கண்ணிய பூமி இது. ஜெய் ஹிந்த் ஜெய் ஹிந்த் ஜெய் ஹிந்த் ஜெய் ஹிந்த் ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Jai Hind.
Is coupled with emotions of fear and expectation. How the child is going to be accepted at the new environment and also an expectation for the future growth. The new beginning is the first day to the school. As a parent, we are very afraid, but my child is very enthusiastic and he is very much eager with his wearing his new uniform and he is packing his empty backpack for the first time going to the school.
I request please keep silence.
As the first day started, he was formally and happily.
Parents, please be seated on your places. Please cooperate with us.
The way the staffs welcomed us, it's really they are committed and safe, and it is assured a safety for us. So I'm very thankful to them. Second, the learning environment. Once our kids are safe, it's better that we have to know how they are learning. The first 1 year he learned very well and he can recognize words, letters and everything. In the home when he
Parents, keep silence please.
and it was also very happy that when he is always mumbling the rhymes and telling me stories, he used to call me rhinoceros. I used to call him monkey. He's very happy, Then comes the growth and development. And in the last 1 year, he has developed a lot. Moreover, and they teach them in a very playful way. So these are the things, and the conclusion is the kids' world is like an oasis of the desert. So it has transformed my child from a small and very inward person to a very mumbling and very expert person. So I'm proud of the kids' world. Thank you.
Give a big round of applause. I request
Going on. Thank you, Amir. Writing. Pre-KG.
School is one of the best school in Adambakam. I'm a proud parent saying that I have experienced the growth in my daughter. There are various ways in which the school develops the budding talent. Firstly, the education is very well taught to the newest kid right from preschool. This school has a scheduled timetable which they follow each day and also
Please maintain silence. அப்பதான் parents பேசுறது கேக்கும்.
and also encourage children to have physical activities, indoor and outdoor games. The facility is neatly maintained and also has a play area for the kids. Apart from the studies, the teachers also indulge kids to learn self-discipline like saying greetings, good habits which they follow at home. The school also conducts yoga as a part of curriculum which is a good practice for life. They also conduct activities and display is written school which helps the parents to know what they do in school. Apart from all this, the school conducts science exhibition which creates awareness among the kids and they encourage all the kids to participate. One thing I admire is the color days they follow which makes the school look more colorful and lively. And most important, all of they consider the safety for kids by not sending them with whomever, but only the parents or relatives with prior intimation. Overall, my experience as a parent is overwhelming to have admitted my child in such a beautiful, organized and well-growing school. Thank you.
Thank you, Rebecca. Second prize goes to Rebecca. Give a big round of applause.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Lucky draw first winner goes to Theozak. I request parents to come and collect the gift. And applause for these winners. I want clapping to be going on for the winners. Cheer up the winners. Clapping to be going on for the winners. Give a big round of applause to the winners. And wonderful moment is going to be started now. Kindly cheer up your kids by clapping your hands to encourage them. Sports day which was conducted inside the school premises in the month of 2024. Surprise distribution going to start. I want every parent to cheer up your kids for the prize distribution. Playgroup students for gross motor activity for the prize distribution. Where I'll call up a name. Please come and collect your prizes. I want the clapping to be going on when the prize distribution is announced. Conducted inside the school premises in the month of 2024. The prize winners are going to be for gross motor activity, Harita first prize, Dhruva second prize, Shabdan third prize. Motor activity, first prize goes to Shabab. Motor activity, I request Harudra for first prize, come and collect your prize. Harudra, please come over the stage. Clap should be going on. Cheer up, cheer. Dhruva, second prize goes to Dhruva. Please come over the stage, ready. Third prize goes to Shaban. Please give a big round of applause to our winners. Clap should be going on. Third prize goes to Shaban, pre-KG. Round of applause to Shaban. Playgroup fine motor activity. First prize goes to Shaban. Give a big round of applause to Shaban. Give a big round of applause. Clap should be going on. Cheer up the students. Second prize goes to Dhruva. Be ready. Playgroup activity, fine motor activity. Second prize goes to Dhruva. Abraham, be ready. Fine motor activity. Third prize goes to Helen Abraham. Playgroup student. First prize goes to Helen Abraham for the correct object. Second prize goes to Harudra. Second prize goes to Harudra. Be ready for the choose the correct object. Second prize goes to Harudra. Pre-KG fine motor. Yash Adik first prize. Pre-KG fine motor activity. First prize goes to Yash Adik. Give a Yash Adik. Can please come on the stage, Arjun. Second prize, give a big round of applause to Arjun. In fine motor activity. Third prize, Mohammad Fazal, be ready. Mohammad Fazal, be ready for third prize for fine motor activity. Nicolan. Students for fine motor activity, Mohammad Sharik. First prize goes to Mohammad Priscilla. Be ready, Ansi Priscilla. Shnan, please ready all the winners. Give a big round of applause to Mohammad Sharik. Next is Ansi Priscilla. Be ready. Give a big round of applause. Going on. Third prize goes to fine motor activity to Abhinav Krishnan. Clap. Cheer up the winners. Please claps to be going on. Next is pre-KG fine motor activity. First prize goes to Tanmati. Tanmati, please be ready for the first prize. Second prize goes to Kritin. Second prize goes to Kritin. Theo Zach. Second prize, Kirtan, be ready. Theo Zach. Third prize, be ready. Give a big round. Clap should be going on. Cheer up the winner. Cheer up the winner's parents. Please be ready. Give a big round of applause to Kirtan. Clap should be going on. Cheer up the winners. Lungsu. Second prize goes to Janani. Be ready. Third prize goes to Rebecca. Third prize. Give a big round of applause to Tenzek. Stage for the first prize, fine motor activity. Give a big round of applause to Lungsu. Parents, cheer up the winners. Woohoo! Lungsu, smile, Lungsu. Woohoo! Cheer up the winners. Third prize goes to Rebecca. Rebecca. Thank you, parents. Prize. Give a big round of applause to Nicolan. Cheer up the winners. Give a big round of applause to Nicolan. Third prize goes to Harshit. PS, I request Harshit be ready. Harshit, third prize goes to Harshit. Harshit. Next, Vitran. First prize goes to Vitran. Be ready, Vitran. Fine motor activity pre-KG Vitran. First prize goes to Vitran. Be ready. Next is second prize goes to Harshini. Be ready. Pre-KG Harshini. Second prize goes to Harshini. Third prize goes to Madhura. Request Vitran to come on the stage. Give a big round of applause to our winners. Second prize goes to Harshini. Be ready. Third prize goes to Madhura Shri. Be ready. Give a big round of applause to Harshini. Cheer up the winners. Come on the stage, money. Cheer up the winners, parents. Third prize goes to Abhinav. Be ready. Cheer up these winners. Second prize, please be ready. Cheer up the winners. Second prize, Pavan Mani. Third prize goes to Abhinav. Be ready. Yeah. Next is Harshini. First prize goes to Harshini. Please come on the stage. Pre-KG gross motor activity prize goes to Madhura Shri. Third prize goes to Jivanya. Third prize goes to Jivanya. Be ready. Jivanya, be ready. Third prize goes to Jivanya. First prize goes to Mohammad Fazal. Come on the stage and collect your prize. Mohammad bin Kritin M. Please be ready, Kritin M. Third prize goes to Arjun. Third prize winner, please be ready, Arjun. Second prize is Kritin. Be ready, Kritin. Third prize goes to Arjun, please. Next, Tanmati. First prize goes for gross motor activity. Be ready. Be ready, Theo Zach. Third prize goes to Rihanna. Absent. Theo Zach, second prize. Be ready. Second prize goes to Harshit from PKG. Of applause to Harshit. I request Harshit to come near the stage. Shaktivel, please be there. Activity. First prize goes to Mohammad Sharik. I request Mohammad Sharik to come on the stage. Second prize goes to Nancy Priscilla. Second prize goes to the. Third prize goes to Amir. Third prize for gross motor activity goes from PKG. Second prize goes to Vituran. Third prize goes pre-KG Rebecca. Abhinav Krishnan, be ready. Come near the stage, Abhinav Krishnan. Second prize Gray goes to D. Nicolan. I request Nicolan to come near the stage. Give a big round of applause to our winners. Near the stage, Pavilan Money. Second round goes to Pavilan Money. Nicolan parents can come and collect the prizes. Please be ready for Montessori activity. Lung Su. A round of applause to a very hyperactive Nicolan. Super active, very enthusiastic. Lung Su. Give a big round of applause to Lung Su. Cheer up the winners' parents. Lung Su. Jeevanya. Be ready for the prizes. First prize goes to Alicia Bushra. LKG for fine motor activity, Alicia Bushra. Prize goes to Pranav J. Third prize, LKG's third prize goes to Sai Dakshin. Third prize, Sai Dakshin, be ready. Give a big round of applause, parents. Cheer up the winners. Anna, be ready. LKG. Second prize LKG goes to Aradhya Shri. Be near the stage, Aradhya Shri. Aradhya Shri. Aradhya Shri. To John Samuel, LKG for fine motor activity. Be ready, John. First prize goes to Ziana Gabriel. Sanjeevan, LKG for gross. Please come near the stage, Sanjeevan. LKG gross motor activity. Pranav, be ready, Pranav. First prize goes to Harshini L. Second prize goes to Aradhya Shri Ara, LKG for gross motor activity. I request Ara to come near the stage. Third prize goes to Kaushika, Ara, LKG B. John Samuel, LKG for gross motor activity. John Samuel. I request parents to come over the stage and collect the prizes. Sai Dakshin. Third prize goes to Alicia, LKG. I request her to come and collect the Alicia Bushra. Alicia. To Alicia. Cheer up the winners. Next, you please be ready. Time. Nuseba, second prize goes to Nuseba. Shri, be ready. Tanushri, UKG students. UKG student, first prize goes to Rebecca. Rebecca, parents, be ready. UKG students, second prize goes to Shri Savik. Rebecca, Vinayak, Katie, third prize goes to UKG Vinayak. Be ready, Vinayak. Muhammad Mustaqim, be ready. Second prize Nuseba again. Tanushri, second prize goes Joshika, third prize goes to Joshika. First prize goes to UKG Shri Shavik. Joshika, Joshika Meena, Vinayak. Rebecca, third prize UKG Rebecca. Give a big round of applause, parents. Cheer up the winners.
மரபு கவிதை இல்லை, இலக்கிய கவிதையும் இல்லை. என் குழந்தை இந்த ஸ்கூலில் படித்தா அங்கே எப்படி இருக்குது, அந்த அட்மாஸ்பியர் எப்படி இருக்குது, அவளுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்குன்றத ஒரு 10 லைனில் சொல்கிறேன். ஜஸ்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக புரியும். எங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் முதல் பள்ளி வாசல் உங்கள் பள்ளியின் வாசல். முகம் சுளிக்காத ஆயா அம்மாக்கள், முகம் சுளிக்காத ஆயா அம்மாக்கள், முகம் சிவக்காத ஆசிரியர்கள், கோபத்தில் முகம் சிவக்காத ஆசிரியர்கள். உங்கள் பள்ளியினால் எங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் தரம் உயர்ந்தது. உங்கள் பள்ளியினால் எங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் தரம் உயர்ந்தது. அப்போதே எங்கள் மனம் மலர்ந்தது. அப்போதே எங்கள் மனம் மலர்ந்தது. மாதம் ஒரு முறை நிறங்களின் தினம். மாதம் ஒரு முறை நிறங்களின் தினம். நாங்கள் மண்டையை பிடித்து கொண்டு திண்டாடினோம். மாதம் ஒரு முறை நிறங்களின் தினம். நாங்கள் மண்டையை பிடித்து கொண்டு திண்டாடினோம். என் மகளை சமாளிக்க நிறங்களுக்காக துணிகளை நாங்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்க. தொலைக்காட்சி மூலம் கற்றல், செய்தி கற்றல் மூலம் அவர்களின் மனம் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைந்தது. தொலைக்காட்சியின் மூலம் கற்றல், செய்தி கற்றல் மூலம் அவர்களுடைய மனம் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைந்தது. எங்கள் வீட்டில் தெரிந்தது, அந்த மகிழ்ச்சி எங்கள் வீட்டில் தெரிஞ்சது நான் சொல்கிறேன். அடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா புதிய டிவி வந்தது, ரிமோட் உடைந்தது. இதனாலே நாங்கள் ஒரு டிவி புதுசாக வாங்க வேண்டியது இருந்துச்சு, ரிமோட்டை வேறு உடச்சி போட்டா. அடுத்து ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. வீக்லி ஒன்ஸ் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் ஷீட் அருமையான ஒரு செயல்முறை திறன் நான் சொல்கிறேன், நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. பள்ளியில் போதுமான காற்றோட்ட வசதி போதும். பள்ளியில் போதுமான காற்றோட்ட வசதி உண்டு. போதாது இந்த வகுப்பு வசதி வர வேண்டும். 1 முதல் 5 வகுப்புகள் தொடர்ந்து கற்க வேண்டும் மாணவர்கள். அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி.
ஒரு விதமாக எங்கள் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்தாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு பசங்கள்ட்ட வந்து புது இதை நாங்கள் கற்றுக்கிட்டோம். எல்லாமே ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்துச்சு. எல்லா மூமெண்ட்டுமே ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ உங்கள் பசங்களை நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே மிஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ எல்லாருமே ஒரு சேரப் பண்ணிடுங்க. எல்லா பசங்களுமே ஒரு பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுத்துருங்க. இப்போ நம்ம கான்வகேஷன் 2023 to 2024 இப்போ டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ப்ளீஸ்.
Hayden Abraham,
கான்வகேஷன் சர்டிஃபிகேட் பிளே குரூப்.
Hayden Abraham, Shaban, be ready Shaban. Next to Bilwa, Shaban, give a big round of applause.
Hello.
Round of applause, Bilwa. Give a big round of applause to the clapping. Parents, please claps. Give a big round of applause. Cheer up the winners. Polygon Money, first Polygon Money pre-KG. Rav Krishnan, be ready. Abhinan Krishnan. Abhinan. NC Priscilla. NC Priscilla, be ready. NC Priscilla. Adhikappa Muhammad Sharif. Tanmati, be ready. Tanmati. Cheer up the winners, parents. Sharik. Tanmati, be ready. Theo Zach, be ready. Theo Zach. Give a big round of applause to our winners. Pre-KG Rebecca. Request pre-KG Rebecca to come on this. Nikilan. Next is Lung Su. Be ready, Lung Su. Lung Su. Lung Su. T. Arjun. Jivanya, be ready, Jivanya. Lung Su. Give a big round of applause to Lung Su. Jivanya, be ready. Mohammed Fazil. Jivanya. Students, be ready. Harshit. Harshini. Harshit. Harshini. Be ready with to run. Janani, be ready. Janani. I request. Mitran, Janani. Mitran. LKG students, be ready. Sanjeevan. LKG students, be ready. Sanjeevan. Bushra, be ready. Alisha. Be ready, Alisha. Radhya Shri. Gibson Benno. Alisha. Alisha. Gifton's Benno. Gibson. Harshini. Alisha. Alisha. Give a big round of applause to Alisha. Chini. Gibson. Gibson. Give a big round of applause to Gibson. KG students, be ready. Pranav. Side Dakshin. Side Dakshin. Pranav. Kaushika. Pranav. Sai Dakshin. Sai Dakshin. Give a big round of applause to our winners. Parents, please be seated. Parents, maintain silence. Nusaiba, please come on the stage. Nusaiba. Tanushri, on the stage. Shri Shavik. Nusaiba. Muhammad Give a big round of applause to Tanushri. Be ready, Tanushri. Shri Shavik. Muhammad Mustaqim. Shri Shavik, give a big round of applause to Shri Shavik. Vinayak Katie. Staff teacher.
Indumati, non-charging staff. அவங்க தான் கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க.
Applause to Anita.
Come on to the stage, please. ஆங்கருக்கு தான் பலமா கிளாப் சொல்லுது.
The last but not the least, vote of thanks. Good evening to all. I deem it is a great honor and privilege to pursue the vote of thanks. On this memorable occasion, the management of International Kids World Montessori Play School conveys their heartfelt thanks for the staff, parents and everyone who have come here to attend the function and making this special day as a memorable and wonderful day. Thanks for your cooperation by you all. Thank you all for a wonderful annual day, for your cooperation and for everything.